Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome myself back. I haven't been on YouTube for quite some time now. Life happened, but everything is fine now. I'm officially back with more content, with more makeup tutorials, with more reviews. I'm so excited, and I will be posting again 3 times per week, but this week is going to be a little bit more special because I have prepared 5 different makeup looks. That means every day for the next 5 days you will be having a new makeup tutorial, especially for summer. And don't worry, the eyeshadow palettes that I will be using are super affordable, and also the makeup looks are very easy for everyone to follow. So as you can see, I've already done my complexions because I want to focus more on the eyes. But every product that I've used I will be linking down below, and if you have any further questions, do leave me a comment down below. Okay, so for the first day I was thinking to create a green eye makeup look. I love green when it comes to eyeshadow, so I guess this is like my first makeup tutorial for today. And the palette that I want to use, and actually you will be seeing like a lot in the next 5 days, it is this one from BH Cosmetics. They take me back to Brazil. This is like almost the one eyeshadow palette that I will always grab when I want to do something colorful, because it has like these beautiful colors. You have like almost every color that you want to create something colorful, something beautiful, very summery. So I think this palette is quite appropriate for today's video. So firstly I will prime my eyelids, and I will use this eye primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's very affordable, you can find it in every drugstore. This is how it looks like. So to apply this one I will take this concealer brush from Real Techniques, and I'll just take a little bit of this primer into my brush, and I'll go straight here onto my eyelids. Now with this little brush, this is actually a shading brush from Real Techniques, I will take some of this pigment from a black eye pencil. So we'll go just like this. See? And what I want to do next is go like here onto my eyelid, and keep it, you know, here on the half of it, and bring it all the way down. It should look something like this. And the same thing I want to do here on the lower lashes. I know it looks crazy, but it's going to come out very beautiful. Now if you're wondering why I'm doing this, since I said it's going to be a green makeup look, it's because I want to go with the green on top of the black color to make it look more deep, you know. There's obviously a deep green color here on the palette, but I want to make it darker, so by applying the black color, it can also be a black eyeshadow if you want, but I think but if you use a black eye pencil, it will grab the pigment from the eyeshadow a little bit better. So as I said, by doing that, it will emphasize the green color. It's a pretty good trick. Okay, so now from the palette, I will go and take this green, and that I will apply it all over my eyelid. Now I will take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna mix these two greens, this one and this one. So I'm gonna mix these two, and I'll go here onto my brow bone, kind of bringing it, you know, close to the dark green, and like really blend. Now with my finger I will take this shimmer green color and I will go right here to my eyelid. Okay, so now I'll add some mascara and I'll be right back. And this is the final result. On the lips I went with this lipstick from Maybelline. It is a beautiful nude color, perfect, you know, for when you wear a very bold eye makeup look. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like this makeup look. It is pretty easy to follow, beautiful for everyone, and I think it's very summer appropriate, but actually not only. So anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It would really help me, and I will see you tomorrow with another summer makeup tutorial. Bye.